Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to put a link in your TikTok bio. First of all, open your TikTok application and hit on the profile icon. Then click on the edit profile. Here you will see there is no add button or add link section. So first of all, make sure that your app is up to date, and then what you need to do is go to your settings and privacy and hit on the report or problem. Then go to your account and profile and click on editing profile and select others. Then simply click on no, and from here write your issue that you want to add a link features on your bio. In this way you can simply add a link feature first of all, then add a link on that. So this is a very simple way to put a link in your TikTok bio. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.